VR46 Racing Team Presentation 2025.
Kolaborasi Pertamina dan VR46 Racing Team adalah bukti yang nyata bahwa Indonesia mampu bersaing di dunia olahraga yang sangat kompetitif dan dinamis.
Karena animo penonton MotoGP sangat luar biasa.
Madam, okay. You know? Yes, of course. We have a very big target. Not in the end, it's very important for us.
Jadi itu sangat penting bagaimana Pertamina ada di kancah global.
Launching the 2025 season in Indonesia for the first time. This year the livery will follow the same concept that we used last year. We did together with Aldo Drudi, but with some changes that are so special for me. So I hope that you like it as much as I do.
In 3, 2, 1.
So the Luna are, that extra touch that makes a difference.
Okay, grazie mille. Thank you so much, gentlemen. So, ladies and gentlemen, please give big round of applause one more time for
dengan DJ dan juga Frankie bersama dengan livery terbaru dari Pertamina Enduro VR46 Racing.